Once again, good afternoon. Not taking much of your time. I'm happy that all these small experiments, which are done by the teachers in the school system, I believe that the purpose of organizing these kind of demonstrations in the classroom will help you to prepare for your lesson plans, because whenever you will go for practice teaching, because from July onwards we will put you into the school system, whereas we will ask you to write the lesson plan, and none of the lesson plans, may it be mathematics, may it be science, should have the components of demonstration in the classroom. So, and you won't be permitted to teach either science as a subject or maths as a subject in isolation through the lecture method, because we highly discourage lecture method, but we give more emphasis to the demonstration. So in fact, a lot of emphasis has been given by the faculty members to help you to develop hands-on experiences how to use lecture cum demonstration method. So more we can say demonstration that you will do here in your classroom, more you will be able to develop hands-on experiences, to write your lesson plans and do demonstration in your practice teaching school. So I'm very happy that these all small concepts which are there in your science textbooks, maybe from ranging from 6th standard to 12th standard, you select, I just suggest, select the topics in such a manner so that those topics are highly exciting. So you are able to gain the attention of the students in your classroom. If you will teach science this way, I think you will gain much more, we can say, attention in your classroom. So I think 4 presentations are there today, 4 resource person, 1 has already completed. Congratulations to Intisar for taking this initiative, Dr. Ansari, and all the students of Science Corner. So I congratulate you all. I have to leave now. Okay. Now, this month has been dedicated to help you to prepare for the school system. So, Dr. Ansari will be helping you to understand the template. No doubt, the template for our lesson plan is very dynamic, which has got all the components. All the CE, 7E, we can say model is there, along with the Herbartian, we can say Herbartian style. And now, one more thing which we are also going to integrate in our lesson plan is C learning. That is social, emotional and ethical learning. Now, C learning can be integrated in 2 ways in the classroom, and objectives of the C learning are nothing but development of the heart. And development of the heart is not possible in a day, in a week, in a month, in a year. It has, to be continued for years together, till all those values are inculcated in children, to be better and effective citizens, but global citizens who can think anything from think of a problem from the scientific angle, not on the basis of इसकी वजह से हुआ, वो उसकी वजह से हुआ, इसके लिए ये responsible है. Are you getting it? Who doesn't believe in blames and all those things? So we have to take the education to that level. So in order to do that, we have invited resource persons from C Learning across India who will use 2 approaches. Approach number 1, integrated approach. Whereas in your lesson plan, you have to integrate the component of C Learning. Number 1, we will teach you how to do that. And another approach is standalone approach. You have to take a theme like kindness and compassion, empathy. These are some of the components, and how to teach these concepts in the classroom. Are you getting it? They will be helping you through the workshops. So we are going to conduct workshop on 24th, 25th and 26th April from 9 am to 3 pm. So 3 days workshop, and each day the workshop will start from 9 am to 3 pm, because these workshops will help you to prepare lessons which are highly influenced by the process of your C learning. Okay, so please make a note of this, we can say, workshop in your diary, because these workshops have been designed for IB schools, International Baccalaureate School, and the resource persons. You have already seen Mrs. Mona Sirvai.
Yes.
She is the former principal of Bombay International School. She is also an educator. She is a recognized educator of IB schools. She herself is a trainer, and she will integrate some of the components of IB in her workshops. So along with her, there will be a team of 2 more, we can say, resource person who will be also accompanying her. Apart from you, all the faculty members will also attend the workshop. If I am there, I will also be a part of this, and we all will learn together, and none of the students will take a leave even for an hour. Please make a note, these workshops are mandatory to be attended by every student of Bombay Teachers Training College. Are you getting? Please make a note of 24th, 25th, 26th, the workshops on C learning, how to integrate C learning in IB curriculum, in the school curriculum, in ICSE curriculum, in CBSE curriculum, all across all boards. Okay? Answer, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me anything to? Okay. Thank you. God bless you all. Please continue the journey.
Malika, Africa.
So until the next week's work person gets ready, how many of you know, have heard the terms heaven and hell? Everyone, right? So when we listen to the word hell, what comes to your mind? Fire. So is anyone over here aware of a place which is called as Gateway to Hell, and it is present in this way? Yes. What? No, not in mythology, like a place. Yes.
शीतल तेरा ही है शीतल तेरा हाँ
Can you see these images? So this place is called as Darwaza Crater. It is in Turkmenistan. And the fact about this place is, in 1971, the Soviets were carrying an oil drilling expedition. So they were drilling for oil. And what happened was, they mistakenly dug into a place on the earth where the floor just collapsed up. And they found that there was no oil reserve, but there was a methane gas reserve. So what they felt, like if we burn off the methane, it will just get burnt in 2 to 3 days, because they felt the quantity or the amount of methane was less. but it was a very huge methane reserve, and when they burnt it in 1980s, it's still burning till 2023. And the government of Turkmenistan has like now taken this initiative, like they have to close it off somehow, because if we all know, methane is a greenhouse gas. It emits, it's a greenhouse gas, it emits because of which global warming is happening. So this was just not a fun but just a fact. Gateway to hell.
How many people died?
No one died, it's just a sinkhole.
Then
That I don't know. How many people died? So now we have Malika for her science experiment.
रुक
Hello.
ये रुक ज़्यादा है
So everybody uses matches. So when you just lit the matches and blow it off, how does the smoke move?
from down to up.
It's like down to up, something.
It's the direction of the wind.
Direction of the wind. Okay. Okay. So ever seen a smoke falling down like water? Using a matches. So today I am going to do an experiment where the smoke falls down like it's pouring water. Okay? I think I will need to switch off.
हाँ और बीच में से आओ उसके YouTube में आ जाओ
Okay. It takes time. So here I used a paper. I just rolled it, and I've used a clip to support it. You cannot see it. Hmm? So when you lit this, because of the tube cools down the smoke, which allows the smoke to go down and not up in the air. It's not visible right now. See. It's not going down right now. It was actually, but I just missed it. I will do that 1 second, but I'll just explain you the concept right now. So what happens here is this tube cools down the smoke, which makes it as a waterfall effect, and you actually use that in experiments and industries. Now, anybody can assume why does this happen? What is the main concept behind this? It is due to the density. So everybody knows what is density? Thickness. Okay. Right. Mass upon volume. So what is density? Basically it is a compact. Whatever it is compressed. So when you have a solid, liquid and gas, the solid has the maximum density, which is compact, and that's why it is really hard. So it does not flow anywhere, the particles. Now, regarding the liquid has particles, but it does not flow totally. But the gas, it flows off. That's the reason you can see the smoke flowing up. Now, what happens is the density of the smoke due to this tube increases. It increases so much that it does not have the place to move the smoke. So it just falls down. Right now, I'm not being able to. Again, I'll try it. But so you all can understand the concept that where density increases, the flow stops. So it just goes like in a straight line. But when the density is just haywire, you can see all the smoke around. Other than that, a temperature plays a major role in the density. So what happens is, higher the temperature, it's lower the density. Now you can give me an example. Why do you think so? Anybody? High temperature, low density. That means it can fly.
Because the molecules present there expand.
Any example?
When water is heated,
The vapor flows. Anybody seen a hot air balloon?
Yes. Helium balloon.
Hot air balloon. Yeah. So what?
because of the heat,
So the more amount of heat that is imported in that hot air balloon, the particles move farther away, which makes the balloon blow and flow out. So that's a concept where we can use density. Now regarding this, these are used in industries in order to compact or just take up all the smoke and use the combustion method. So in order to use that same smoke as a chemical and use further on. So once again I'll just try. You can see it is just flowing down. So it goes down as a waterfall, and there are certain, show pieces which use such a smoke that is non-stop and it flows like it's a waterfall. I will share that video also. So you can see that, and this is the experiment on density. Thank you.
funka on करो जजा funka
Everyone, there's a quiz at the end, so please concentrate and participate.
सारे
By the time Anuj will perform, Devesh will engage you all in some activity.
Good afternoon to everyone. Have your attention over here. As you can see, these two pens, they are joined to each other. So now I am disjoining it. Anyone can come over here. It's for the non-sand straight up. You have to come over here. You have to join these two pens without using any sticking material. Sellotape, Fevicol नहीं use कर. पेन है, join कर. कोई भी आ सकता है. जी बोलूँगा ना, I'm doing it.
वीडियो देख रहे हैं
जल्दी कोई भी ट्राई नहीं करना है, चेक कर लो.
अरे आओ इसका जाते हैं
करने वाला हूँ। हाँ। Just check करो whether I have pasted any of your Fevistick, Fevicol to paste to you. अच्छा, yes.
कार्बन से हो सकता है लेकिन पेपर वगैरह चिपके ना पेन
Sure to detail has checked that I haven't pasted any of the sticky things over on this pen. So now I will be performing an experiment. I won't be using any of the sticky material. I will be taking this paper for as a barrier purpose.
used to do it with the scale or no paper.
Check your log.
They do. You come.
पेपर बाजू में आप पेपर में गम नहीं है you can check it.
हाँ निकाल पड़
Almas, get side Almas.
Just for the barrier purpose.
What is the science behind?
हाँ, I will be saying the sign.
I got the science.
Now it's the duty of the science student to say the reason behind this. What is the concept behind this?
What the under again each other? Friction.
Miss, sir.
You create a vacuum between the two.
Right. Basically, I am creating vacuum between these two pens. The main reason behind it is the friction as well as the bonding. When I have put this, when I have rolled this pen with the paper at the time, I have created a vacuum binding between these two pens. And after hitting this pen on the table, there was a weak force of attraction created between these two pens, which has attached both the pen together for some time. Not it would be not for a measured time for user for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or for 1 minute of time. So over here, the main reason behind it is the static electricity, friction, as well as the vacuum binding. So this was a.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good afternoon. So my topic is about red cabbage indicator. So I have grind the red cabbage and put some water in it, and I have filtered it so that I have a clear solution, and I am going to use it to differentiate in an acid or a base solution. So I have brought some samples of baking soda. I am putting in it some baking soda in one of the vessels, and lemon juice in second, and you can see the detergent in third one, and the last, this is phenyl, do you know? Okay. Phenyl. Okay, the phenyl has a green color already. Okay. So I'm putting it. I'm adding the water in every solution.
Hello.
So this is a red cabbage indicator solution which has a pigment called anthocyanin. It plays a major role in identifying the substances, whether it is acid or a base. For acid, the color of this solution will change to red or pink, and for base, it will change to green or yellow. So let's see which of the following is the acid one and which of the base. Okay. For acid, it will be changing to red or pink. Okay. Okay? Or if I put it in a normal bottle, it will be a neutral one. So this was my experiment. Just to identify the substances which is acid or which is base, the scale ranges from 0 to 7. Less than 7 is acid, and at 7 it is neutral, which is water, and above 7 it is base. Okay. The only and the benefit of red cabbage indicator, red cabbage, lal patta gobi. You can find it easily in the market, and it gives you 10 times more immunity than the green cabbage, and it also have a health benefits like it can cure cancer, Alzheimer's, and many of the diseases, and it can boost your immunity. Plus, it can detoxify your body element, iron. It is good for eye and skin health. Okay. Thank you.
So by the time Cinera sets up her experiment, I'm going to fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank. So you have to fill in the blank now. Usually green, but can be brown. It's a great place to play or lie down. Tree. Correct. The answer is tree. Usually green, but can be brown. It's a great place to play or lie down. Okay? Needless to emphasize more on the importance of trees. We're just going to listen to a very interesting song which is made on the topic of trees, but it is also made using the sound of trees. Okay? We can't get the projector on, the video has no sound. So I'm just going to play it. Yeah. It's not getting played, I tried.
You play the video or audio on the mic?
I tried.
So
Thank you. So this video was entirely made, the sounds were made using the trees, as you could see, the barks, the leaves, and we emphasize on the importance of trees, and so should we. So now Sunera is ready and I would like to invite her.
Listen ना Sunera, वो प्रोजेक्टर का ऊपर का डिस्प्ले we can see white नहीं दिख रहा. Wait.
Action.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will be performing an experiment related to atmospheric pressure, and we will see further how atmospheric pressure is related to temperature. So it is directly related to temperature. We will see further in this experiment. So first, I will put the glass on this candle. Observe. Those who want to see, they can come in front and see. The water has gone inside the glass. So there are many effects which had taken place in this 1 minute. So I will explain it in part. So as you all know, oxygen is needed for burning. And now what I did, I put this glass on the candle. But even though I put this glass on the candle, there was some amount of oxygen inside the glass. So the candle tried to remain until the oxygen was there. And as the oxygen got finished, it got extinguished. So there is a vacuum created inside the glass. And oxygen is finished inside the glass. So there is carbon dioxide, and the amount of carbon dioxide is almost half the amount of oxygen. Also, as if you observe properly, when I placed the glass on the candle was burning. So the candle produced heat inside the glass, and the temperature inside the glass will be hot. So atmospheric pressure tries to move from high to low. So you were not able to see here, but there were bubbles moving out. So the hot temperature moved from high to low. So now what is the temperature inside the glass? Yeah, it's low. Right, you want to show, right? It's low. So now oxygen is not there inside the glass. There is carbon dioxide in the glass, but the carbon dioxide is half the amount of oxygen, as I said before. So there is vacuum created inside the glass. So the water tries to take away the position of the vacuum. And who does this? The atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure does all this thing. One daily life example here will be of pressure cooker. When we put the pressure cooker on stove, after heating for some time, it starts to whistle. So why does it happen? Because the temperature inside the pressure cooker tries to move from high to low. Thank you.
मीथेन का समझी हूँ, ये क्या है? इंसान डायरेक्ट कितना डायरेक्ट
लोगों को खरीदने
So everybody please remove out your phones. We are going to do a quiz. And I need names of especially those last benches. I'm sorry, Simran. We'll be having 13 questions and each question will be having 30 seconds.
लॉगिन में क्या करना है, नाम क्या है इसका?
है क्या ये?
The game there is your projector. You will want to link kahoot.it. Kahoot.it.
Kahoot.it.
डबल ओ है।
एक बोला मुझे नहीं है, ये ना
We are amazing games.
अरे कहाँ पे बताना?
I'm not starting.
This
Everybody
one?
join. Please join.
Wait, ना?
Wait, take your
कुछ भी
सच में
337
You clear your mid reach. Most of you have joined it.
नो वेट
The remaining can join. You can answer verbally. And start. Okay, so we're starting.
ये बार बार दे रहा है वो पिन। हाँ सेम हियर।
Yeah, because the limited stage, the once the game has started, please play.
We didn't get। ये नहीं आया मुझे। अच्छा लिमिट है।
First question is, how is an electromagnet made stronger? Okay. Next question
Okay, we have Himanshu leading. Second question. What is a solenoid? Answer quickly, you only have 30 seconds. Who is Ash? Ash is leading. And then second we have Chanchan.
Who is Chanchan?
Electromagnetism is also called. Quick, only 19 answers so far. 1% is left. So Lawrence Post is the right answer, and we have Ashwarya leading. Himanshu is out of the game. Red cabbage to face the chemical ball. Answer is anthocyanin. The color of the cabbage indicator will change to red or pink if the solution is an the one who couldn't log in, it will be good if you are I think somebody was playing. Little partner. One person is pretending. There is one who is very slow at it. सबसे आंसर पूछ के देगा. Oh, Anush Kumar has a streak with 5 correct answers in a row now. So it's coming on, Ashwarya. The color of cabbage indicator will change to green or yellow if the solution is
Green.
if the solution the answer is B. Anil is leading now. Next question. Lemon juice and vinegar are both examples of. Very popular. I hope nobody is wrong. Density. Be careful what the clicking. Don't click the wrong one. Yeah, you did that. So mass volume is the answer. Oh, yeah, Anuj last चला गया. Choose the correct answer. More heat, heating. Less density.
Next.
Temperature affects the following: high to low. In a high to low manner.
Gas.
Be careful with the option. Answer is gas, liquid, solid. Who is this majestic griffin? Acha, Vanshita. She's coming out. Why does water rise up?
Because water has higher pressure.
That is not the option.
Water has higher pressure. Air pressure.
Air pressure. I'll include that. Ash is back. What instrument is used to measure air pressure? Yeah, you could be more loud. Could you be more loud? Barometer is being used. We have Divya leading. Last question. What is the unit of measurement of air pressure? Division.
What?
Okay. So one wasn't actually Joe's favorite. And the fear pressure. So we have the winners. Third we have Satya and Puvana. Second Vanshita and first Divya. Thank you for participating everyone, and I apologize for the ones who couldn't participate.
चार लोगों का हो गया
Now I request Raju ma'am to come up with the questions.
फिर ले ले फोन सारा सारे फोन कैसे निकालते कैसे
Science experiments, it's a best practice, and we have been, I would say, observing this experimentation for a long time. Few reflections. I came in when Devesh was performing, so I request that whenever you all take up an experiment, please give the application of the experiment. The two ball pens which you did, friction and all. It's not an experiment.
It was just a filler.
It's there's a scientific principle behind that. Yeah, so the application of scientific principle in what areas do we observe in daily life? I was just having.
2 minutes now. I didn't ask for the filler purpose. So just I was showing it. I was not doing it. I was not getting the time.
You were not a part of the experimentation.
It was just for the.
But you are a science student.
Yes.
So you should be knowing the principle behind that you had explained. The application part, yes, I found it missing. So see that the application part also is full. And I have one question. I could not ask at that time because I did not want to interrupt the flow of your experimentation. Are there any criteria where when we use this principle, like it was two plastic pens together, what all materials can be used to show?
Two persons can also be get attached with this particular principles.
Is there any restriction to any kind of material where this principle cannot be applied?
Depending on the surface, if the surface is not been plane, so in such cases the concept cannot be applicable. If the
So
surface
it can be any material. It can be a metal.
Does the surface should be plane?
Only the condition is that the surface.
Surface should be plane.
Alright. Experimentation. I feel that I think children only can give us the reflections instead of me telling. I stop here for the day. Riksha, you can call your friends to give them questions.
Anybody who wants voluntarily to do this? Or I'll call anyone right.
Yeah, please call.
For feedback. For reflections, I'll take random roll numbers from FY as well as SY, both can come. Roll number 31.
From FY
FY and SY, both. Roll number 31.
Yes, it was very nice. We understood many things. We learned new things through your
Specifically,
experiment.
which experiment?
That INTERSAT one, electromagnet.
Thank you. Roll number 9. You can add anything else. Which experiment you like? Which experiment you like the most? Red gamification or Roll number 28. Roll number 23. Who's 23? Any non-science, please can give your reflections. Any non-science students?
41.
Rimsha 30.
40.
41.
Number 40.
Mike Pascal.
Now, I will give the formal vote of thanks. Good afternoon, everyone. I, Riksha Naz, on behalf of Bombay Teachers Training College, HSNC University, would like to present a formal vote of thanks. Thank you all the participants for today's event, for making it a great success. For all the performers who performed an experiments, for such a relative and informative session. I would like to express my gratitude to our esteemed principal Dr. Bhagwan Balani sir for giving us the opportunity to be a part for such an enlightening session. I'd like to thank our Vice Principal Dr. Mandeep Kocha ma'am for endlessly supporting us always. I take pleasure in thanking Dr. Professor Rajiv Jha sir for efficiently mentoring us, and my heartfelt thanks to Raju ma'am and all the teachers who are present or not present here, to the technical team for hard work, and my audience, please accept my deepest thanks for your support and encouragement. Thank you everyone.
What was this?